Today I'm going to show you how to create a locked-on stabilization effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we start the tutorial, there are a few things you should keep in mind while shooting. We need an area with high contrast that remains visible throughout the entire shot where we can set our tracker. The eye works well for this purpose. Make sure that nothing covers this point. Otherwise, the tracker will lose its position and the effect won't work. After a successful shoot, open your clip in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fusion page. Select the media in Node, press Shift Spacebar to open the tool menu and find the planar tracker effect. Select the planar tracker and go to the inspector, where we change the tracker mode to hybrid point area and the motion type to translation. Draw a circle around your subject's eye to set the tracker point. Before tracking the video, press the Set button to set the reference time. Then finally press the Track Forward button and let it track in both directions. After the tracking is complete, change the operation mode to Stabilize. You will see that the stabilization has been applied successfully. To eliminate the black bars, go back to the Edit page and in the Inspector window, zoom in to get a clean image. Big thanks to Madalena for her awesome dance performance. See you in the next one, and let's create awesome content together.